Question: I can't stay hard during sex with my wife. How can I get stiff erections to enhance my lovemaking experience? Please suggest any safe, natural product that can improve my performance on the bed. In this video, you will know how to get an erection faster and stay hard longer during sex. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos. Can't get hard in the moment. Being not able to stay hard during lovemaking can be a complicated problem. It can eradicate your confidence, and this might affect your relationship with your partner. Satisfaction in bed is very crucial for the overall happiness in a relationship. Therefore, you should find a solution to this problem before it's too late. Anti-impotence supplements. I suggest you use a very effective Tufan capsule to deal with this problem. When you consume this capsule, you will increase vigor, strength, vitality, and energy level. When these things are on the rise, you will be able to satisfy your partner better. The very effective herbal ingredients are the reason behind the effectiveness of this capsule. Also, this capsule treats many problems, including erectile dysfunction, weak erection, low semen production, infertility, impotence, low sperm count, etc. With this capsule's continuous consumption, you will increase stamina, strength, libido, vigor, and vitality. Libido also will be on the rise as a result. At what age does ED begin? I can't stay hard during sex. I've seen many men saying this, so you are not alone in this. You need to understand that you are not alone in this. There are so many men out there with this problem all over the world. Erectile dysfunction is prevalent among men after a certain age. 50% of men above 40 are supposed to have this problem. For those men above 75, an erection is a distant dream. The same problem is seen among young men as well due to various reasons. Benefits of Tufan capsules. A very effective herbal remedy like a Tufan capsule can go to the root of the problem and find a permanent solution. When you have fuller and firmer erections, you will be able to have better friction. Also, this capsule will increase nerve stimulation. When you have improved nerve stimulation, you will have better sensitivity and a stronger erection. When you are excited, blood rushes to the male organ to make erection possible. Therefore, proper blood circulation is highly crucial in having a fuller and firmer erection. You need to know that the amount of blood that reaches the male organ is crucial for a firm erection. You said in your letter, I can't stay hard during sex. Well, I hope I have solved your problem by suggesting an excellent herbal remedy. The best thing about this capsule is that you don't need to worry about side effects at all. The all-herbal formula of this capsule will ensure that you will save yourself from all sorts of side effects. There are so many men affected by this problem. A capsule like Tufan is a huge blessing for those who are suffering from this condition. I would suggest you start using this capsule without delay. Many men say, I can't stay hard during sex. I've only one thing to say to all of them: start using this capsule today itself. King Cobra Oil. However, if you are looking forward to faster relief, I would suggest you use King Cobra Oil as well. It's a highly effective herbal oil used for massaging male organs. The very effective herbal ingredients of this oil will repair the damage that happened to the male organ's nerves. That will improve sensitivity and pleasure. It will also result in improved blood circulation to the male genitals. World's finest male impotence cure.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Tufan capsule and King Cobra Oil from naturogain.com. The product link is given in the video description. Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.